Hi, I'm David Susilo. I'm a THX, ISF, and CDA certified AV consultant, designer, calibrator for the past 2.5 decades. You can hire me by contacting me at info@davidsusilo.com, or at the very least, click like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to click the bell notification button so every time I upload a new video, you'll be notified. And now, onto the video. Having owned nearly 3,000 CDs, collected since about 1987 until now, I always need a CD player. And because I buy CDs from all over the world, literally, I have about 1,000 CDs that I can't find in streaming. So I always need a CD player wherever I want to listen to the CDs. In every room, there's a CD player. Now, I'm adding Onkyo C-30 CD player to my collections of CD players. Considering the Onkyo C-30 CD player is priced as an entry-level CD player, I was surprised on how heavy this CD player is. Of course, you cannot compare it with a Macintosh, for example, but that's $12,000. Opening the box, I was greeted by a clear bag with a pair of basic RCA cables and the remote control. And of course, instructions manual. And here it is, the CD player wrapped in foam paper. Ta-da! Yay! It's made of all metal, so metal faceplate, metal lid, metal chassis, everything's metal. It creates a Faraday cage, so there's no EMI or RFI that goes in or goes out. This ensures pristine sound quality without any interference whatsoever. And now let's move on to
Let's void my warranty!
To open the top cover, you need to take off 8 screws, so 2 on the left side, 2 on the right side, and then 4 at the back, before you can open the lid and see what's inside. Technically, the top cover does its job. However, it's very thin and you have to be careful so you don't cut your fingers like myself. Once you open it up, there's an EI transformer there. Why not toroidal? Because it's not needed. This is a very low voltage equipment. Using toroidal transformer will only jack up the price without improving the sound quality. The CD drive, it's very quiet, very fast, and most probably not a CD-ROM drive. Disk vibration is very minimal, as expected from an audiophile unit. And now you're looking at the main board itself. You can see the logic IC, the DAC chip, and also the analog stage, all spaced out to minimize interference even further. And here it is again, a different angle of the main board. From there, let's move on to the sound quality itself. After putting the lid back on and cut myself again in the process, it's time for me to listen to the sound. And using MK Sound S150 speakers, Fosse Audio BT20A Max, and Fosse Audio SW10 subwoofer in a dedicated listening room, I'm surprised with the sound quality. Be it listening to K2HD recording from Japan, GRP records, Telarc CD, and also Deutsche Grammophon, I'm very impressed with the clarity, quality, and imaging of the CD player. This is one of a very few garbage in, garbage out CD player that's available on the market, period. Mid-range is clear, bass is very clean, and the imaging, impeccable. And it plays MP3 and WMA as well. Selling at $400 US, I don't think there's another CD player with this level of quality. So, I'm keeping this CD player, highly recommended as an audiophile CD player. The only thing better at this level is Panasonic UB9000 4K player, but that's about $1,000 US. So what do you think? Leave your thoughts and comments down below. Click like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.